when he was put into the level 3? And the second question, I'll ask you the second one later.
We had the following information. He had an incident in the UK where, perhaps with a fight with his mother or something, he had got violent, and that the police had to be called, and then it was hushed, and it ended. We know of this, that there was an incident in London where he got violent with his mother and the police was called. This is one incident we know of. Yes, he had a history of hard drinking and drug use. And there is a group in Islamabad in which that boy survived and 4 girls were killed, which that party also took place from his house. That was after 2019. It was in late 2019, 2020, तो उसमें हमारा कोई ऐसा दखल नहीं था. लेकिन मैं बता दूं कि इसकी चेकर्ड हिस्ट्री जरूर थी. इसकी चेकर्ड हिस्ट्री जरूर थी. अब सवाल आता है कि अगर इसका एक वायलेंट इंसिडेंट इसकी माँ के साथ हुआ था लंदन में, और इसका ड्रिंकिंग पैटर्न और पार्टी पैटर्न वही तमाम ये जो रिच इस शहर के हैं उसका था, डिड दैट disqualify him or qualify him to come into level 3? I think it perhaps was a mistake on my part in allowing him to come into level 3. But during level 2, which got him into level 3, and in level 3, none of the things that you are alluding to was visible. However, I say to you that it was a mistake on my part, knowing that London में माँ के साथ लड़ाई हुई है. बच्चों की बहुत वायलेंट लड़ाइयाँ माओ के साथ होती है. लंदन की एक इंसिडेंट था और इसका ड्रिंकिंग हिस्ट्री थी जिसकी बेसिस के ऊपर शायद मेरे अंदर गलती है कि मैंने इसको लेवल 3 में किया.
Yeah, I think that's what I was coming to. Okay, maybe there should be some sort of stricter procedure at the intake time.
Yes, you are right. Yes, you are
right.
right.
And the second question I had was because there's a lot of information doing the rounds that the incident occurred while the therapy works team was there. Like they were downstairs, they were not upstairs in his room. So I just was trying to understand what information was given to Dr. Iram and to you, and if instead the police had been called, would that have made a difference?
Yes. All right, good. So we were called, I have call records, which we showed the police. I have call records. The first call went at 7:10 from Asmat to Dr. Iram. They thought I was in Nangapur.
6:55.
Huh? Say
I got
again.
a call at 6:55.
6:55. 6:55. Iram said Tahir is back. And I have my call record. I got a call around 7 something. And our team went there around 7:30. लोगों को जमा करो, डॉक्टर, नर्स, टीके, सिक्योरिटी, सारा कुछ. We ran there around 7:30 or thereabouts. Exact timings मुझे निकाल के देने पड़ेंगे. अब जब ये पोजीशन थी, हम 7:30 बजे पहुंचे हैं, तो एक क्राउड बाहर खड़ा था इसके दोस्तों का. उनको पूछा पुलिस को क्यों नहीं बुलाया. हमारी तरफ से कोई डिले या गफलत नहीं हुई. इन्होंने हमें बुलाया ही ऐसे और ऐसी अजीब बात की है जाकिर जाफर ने मुझे कि एक लड़की अंदर है जिसको शायद ये सोलिसिट कर रहा है. मैंने कहा क्या बोल रहे हो जाकिर, सोलिसिट का क्या मतलब होता है, लड़की बुला रहा है उसके लिए. कुछ ऐसे ही है. मतलब there was no seriousness in the thing. However, we took it very seriously क्योंकि मैंने कहा इसको तो उठा के बंद करना लाजमी, अल्लाह जाने लड़की अंदर क्या है. हम तो गए हैं, या लड़की ने छलांग मारी है एस्केप करने के लिए कोई 4:30 4:30 बजे, और वो एस्केप करके ऊपर की छत से जमीन पे गिरी है. इनके नाम और नौकर तमाम पे मौजूद थे. उन्होंने उस लड़की को बचा के बाद में निकाला गेट से. ये आया, बालों से पकड़ के उसको अंदर ले दिया। हम तो उसमें थे ही नहीं। हम तो जब पहुंचे हैं और हमने जब तक सीढ़ी लगाई है और दरवाजा तोड़ा है और अंदर गए हैं, लड़की तब तक मर्डर हो के बीहेड हो के पड़ी हुई थी और हमारे ऊपर हमला इसने पिस्तौल और उस छुरी से किया है। तो to say that we could have averted it, we most certainly could have averted it if we had called in after 4:30 when all this was happening. We were called in 3 hours after the girl jumped and he murdered her. 3 hours after that. So the question of the timing, when were we there? Was the girl in the room? Could we have intervened? The very fact that the intervention is a mistake. Intervention requires family members to be present. Intervention requires almost 100% safety to the patient, to the therapy team कि कोई किसी को कुछ चोट ना लग जाए। मैंने इसको